I received this multi-air styler wrap as a gift, and in this video I'm just unboxing it and showing everything that comes inside the set. Right away, the packaging feels really nice and well organized. Everything is neatly placed, which makes it feel very giftable and easy to store. This is an 8-in-1 styling set that you can already tell is designed to replace several different hair tools in one. Inside the box, you get the main styling handle, which is the base that all the attachments connect to. It feels solid and well made, and the buttons and controls are easy to see and access. This set includes multiple attachments: curling barrels, a straightening brush, a hairdryer brush, and additional styling tools, which gives you a lot of options depending on how you like to style your hair. Everything clicks into place easily, and switching attachments looks quick and straightforward. I really like that it's designed as a combo tool instead of pulling out a separate dryer, curling iron, and straightener. This system gives you options for drying, smoothing, curling, and styling with one device. The curling attachments are clearly labeled, which makes it easier to choose the direction you want your curls to go. The brushes feel soft but structured, which is great for smoothing and shaping hair without feeling harsh. Another thing I appreciate is that it comes with a storage case. All of the attachments have a place to go, which helps keep everything organized and protected instead of scattering them around the bathroom. Even just from unboxing, this feels like a really thoughtful set, especially as a gift. It's versatile, well laid out, and designed to work for different styles and hair routines. I haven't styled my hair with it yet, since this video is just the unboxing, but the first impressions are really good. Everything feels sturdy, well designed, and easy to use, and I'm excited to actually try it out and see how it performs. Overall, this multi-air styler wrap looks like a great all-in-one styling option and really nice gift for anyone who likes having multiple hair tools without the clutter.